All right, let's start it. Today's session. The things that we have missing right now is the contact session in a web page, contact session. Nothing here. And that's what I'm tackle today. This is what I'm gonna tackle today. This is the contact session. Oh, first of all, yeah, and then we have this nav bar that I like it. This one, but as I mentioned already, I'm not going to use this component here. I'm going to try to use another one from this course, another course actually. What is CSS? I'm doing this course, learning HTML, learning HTML and then CSS in 7 days. Pretty cool, pretty cool. I like it. My learning, I think. Oh my god. This one of it. Testing compose multi-platform. This is the one that I'm
It's the thing.
submit.
So now finally,
Yeah, finally we are able to create something like, I think, contact session. Yeah, exactly. Where is the? Yeah, I don't know if you can see it. This is the thing that I wanted to create. I'm pretty good, right? I think I have a better way to show this. Where? I think it is source code. If I'm going to here, I have this start, the slant page, compose. This is the published version of this website. So this is the web page, right? Yeah, this is the published version. It's basically this. Inputs and your name, email, and submit. I like this better. Let's start it. Start by creating composable. Oh yeah, I have to start my timer like 1 hour, at least 1 hour a day, building stuff. Content. This is the name. Content. And as always, I think we have a column here. There's gonna be a column. Weather. What is the name? Session header. Section header. Title is title. Contact me. Get in touch. It's the subtitle. And touch. Get in touch. What else we have here? And then this is good already. Let me see. Oh yeah, Oh, the size should be, let me think. It should be maximum size. Modifier, max size. Fill max size. Good, good, good. Man, I'm feeling so fat. So fat. Yeah, I know. I'm not doing my beard. I'm just looking a robo. Not a robo. I'll say this in English. It's a robo. I look like a robo. It's not a robo. Is a Trump. I always, yeah, it's not this thing. I think this. A bum. This over here. This is what I want to say. Hobo. Hobo. This is what I look like. But that's okay, I guess. I'm doing my best to keep up. Sometimes when I'm kind of depressed, I stop take care of myself. I think this is normal for most people. They stop taking care of themselves, and they don't, they don't, you know, improve themselves anymore. But I still take showers. That's a good point. And I'm also going to the gym. Not frequently, because this week I went to the gym. We are in the Wednesday, so I went to today. That's the only day that I went to the gym. Wednesday. Contact. But I'm glad that I went. So here we don't have a navigation, right? We don't have a navigate to path. So what we can do actually, we can improve this. Let me think. First of all, let me put some. Doesn't matter. We don't have a navigation link here, but as you will see, as you will see shortly, in any moment now, did you see it? So contact, yeah, still not appearing anything. Why? Projects, what the heck is contact content? Oh, pretty crazy. As you will see in a moment, this is still appearing, but it shouldn't. It shouldn't. So we'll have a conditioner here to show this link, right? Navigation link. And the condition is if we have a navigation link. So we're gonna make this nullable. And if this is a good thing about composables, right? Jetpack compose, that you can do conditional really easy. Standard it's just a standard function, Kotlin function, that rendering that we use to render layouts. And that's if I can leverage this knowledge to build HTML pages. This is the beauty of Kobweb. So let me, if navigate, pretty simple, is not null. If navigate to is not null, what we're gonna do here is, another thing that I want to try here is learn the Vim motions to be able to select things with my keyboard and navigate through the code on my keyboard in a more effective way, more efficiency, effective way. Not that the skill matter anymore, but I want to learn how to do it. feels better for me. So okay, if we don't have a navigation link, this should not be hindered. Let me go again to the index and pass null here. It's gonna be null, or I don't need to pass anything because we have a default value. So that's it. Okay, I can remove this. Look, contact. That should be enough to remove this thing over here. Yeah, we don't have any more. Look. How about this is, we don't have any more because we are doing the right thing. That's it. Pretty good, pretty cool. Next thing is this part over here that I'm not going to use it. I'm going to use this instead. Oh, how this was built. Let me check in the tutorial. Create contact. Yeah, we can watch the entire thing. Yeah, I don't know if I can show this, but no one's watching, right? I don't know. Oh, download Bootstrap. What is this? Let me see. He's doing. He has a form. Yeah, I think I have to watch this. I'm not sure if we can watch this while I'm streaming. I don't think so. So let me check this in the source code instead because it's public. So should be safe. Yeah, understand. Section. Yeah. Contact. Or we can learn. I'll use this thing over here, section title, contact session, contact form. So we have this contact form. Let me see. Maybe it's on components, contact form. And we have the form. Action, attributes. Look, this is a post API, HTTP form spread IO action. I have no idea what it is. Input label, class names, formula. Okay, this looks like something a little more advanced. Let's take a look. So he has a label here, input, name input, email input, and a message input that is resizable. Nice. But if I keep, let me see. If I keep enter text in here, okay, it's not gonna expand. It would be nice if this is expand while, oh my god, cancel. It'd be nice if this is expand while yeah, this is good, not bad, I like it. Okay, I'm checking the official docs. Okay, structure, routing, layout, workers, some issues. Export using generic code. Yeah, we don't have inputs here. No. Form. Input. For example, you could use this when working with the composer HTML. I input composer. So I think compose HTML. Maybe I should check brains and start looking for compose HTML. No, it's not developer tools, man. JetBrains. AI is always the first thing now. Education, I guess. Learning. No. Support. Developers. Language. So compose. This icon. This is the icon that I want. Let me see if I can inspect this. Oh, this is a SVG. Okay, I want this. I want to add those icons here. Go icon. I want all the same size. Yeah, this is gonna be hard. Look, this is what I want. There's. I can copy. Yeah, can I inspect this and still the icons from here? Yeah, I want exactly what I want. Okay, that's good. Let me see. Do we have documentation here? Docs. Yes. I'm losing myself here. A lot of distractions, right? Multi-platform, compose, multi-platform. Explore, compose, multi-platform framework. Desktop. HTML. So say it. Should I see if I compose HTML. What's for web? JetBrains. Yeah, we don't have a dedicated page for this. Let me see if we can find something. 2023. Get it started. Yeah, you know what I'm trying to find is a better place to see the documentation in compose HTML. Language, which platform? Yeah, really hard to find official documentation. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Whatever. Yeah, spending too much time searching for this. Um, Let me copy this. So pretty much we have this form. Let me see if I can copy this entire thing. I think this is a component, right? You have a breakpoint. We don't need this breakpoint. Let's see. Let's create a component. Contact form. Move this. Let's see. Yeah, form exists. Two attributes, and then we have a label. Compose. Name. Okay. Input type. Oh, have input type. Just like attributes, margin, class name. I don't know what class name does. Input style. Where this came from? I don't think I don't think I have input style. Oh yeah. Margin. Let me bring the input style. Let me see if we can find it. Contact session. Input style. They have this. Okay, now we are talking. Create a contact session as well. Not sure if I want to create here or because this could be a style right over here, right? CSS style, exactly what I want. You have base, solid, team. I don't have any team. I think this transition is not like this anymore. It's transition of something like this, right? Dot or I think it's transition. Yes, like this. The transition. That of. No. It's transition. The Kobweb of. Yeah. Transition of. Why I have this entire import here? I think it's because of this. Get the hell out of here, man. Where's my transition? Where's my... Oh yeah, in this style. You don't need to do this. Transition of focus and hover. Theme, so primary, I don't know what that even mean. Let me see. I gotta change color because I still don't know what color would do. What border? So we're gonna change border. Oh, transition is here in the bar in this change. Got it. Primary, hover, focus, primary, and we have a light gray. When you're not focused, light gray, primary is this blue. Got it. Look, contact me, get in touch. Okay, that's good. Let's see what's going on here. So I have this breakpoint here. Change the size. I have this ID. Yeah. Input. Let me see. Input style. Input style. ID. Breakpoint is this is the normal size, right? 500. I think it's change. He's gonna be shadow box. Attributes modifier, so placeholder, name required. This is the input text. What I don't understand is why I'm adding all the attributes in the same input. This is the name. Form. Check. Yeah. Not too much documentation in it. Again, we don't need this. Not right now. Not gonna use this right now. And then we have this text area. I'll put the height here. Same thing. I think the only property that's being changed is the width. This unnecessary box. So what does this has a button? Okay, why the button is in a box? I have no idea. View maximum width. The button's in the box. This is the okay, no problem. Alignment, okay. Center. We'll call this app button. I don't have this attributes in my app button. And I think I don't need the submit text. Yeah, it's gonna be so submit. That's all my button is. Let me see what we got. What we got. Oh, we're gonna put this component down here, just like this. Contact form. Let's see what we got. Did we need so much? Where is the? No, still running. Oh, it's the same issue. Java heap. Java heap. Let me stop this. Stop this. The goal of today, 2 bottles. I'm still not able to accomplish this goal. Still not able to accomplish this goal. Look, I have a track. Let me show you something cool. I use my life track to keep track of my stuff. Look, these are my goals. So, as you can see, for the water is over here. Come on, focus. Yeah. Camera cannot focus. But water is right over here. It's here. It's here to see my face. Yeah, whatever. The thing is, I keep track of my habits, and I still not able to check. I don't have one check of water. I have one. Yes. January 2nd was the day that I drank 2 bottles of water. 2 bottles of water. 2 bottles of water. And we are back. Go again. Let's run this one more time. Every time I have to rebuild this. Oh, that's horrible. Horrible. But, look. Email, message. That's weird. Let's see what's going on. Why? His version is better. Let's understand what's going on there. Here's this. Maybe it's because component. No. I need components. Contact form. Let's see what I did wrong. Because I have no idea how this works. How does this work? Contact form. So let's see. Contact session. It's because this is a look. The contact session is in the box with a maximum width. They have a padding there, center, content alignment is centralized. The content of this thing, observable view ported entry. I have no idea what it is. But where the session is being used is in a column that is centralized horizontally. Okay. Maybe this is the reason. View maximum width. They have some percentage. Okay. But this form over here do not have this property. That's weird. Yeah, can you give me some? Okay, what we can do here is wrap this in a column, maybe. Column. Modifier. I don't know. Actually, I just want to use the horizontal alignment. Alignment center horizontally. Why? Yeah, the thing that I wanted to highlight is all of this. Yes, everything's in this column right now. Let's see. That makes no sense. Good question. Why the content is appearing like this? I don't like that. Okay, maybe form has a attribute here. Content. Okay. Action. Attributes. Okay, let me. I don't know how that works. How does. Okay, let me ask Claude. Claude, it's your time. I'm stuck. I don't know how this contact form works. Claude, it's your turn, my man. Yeah, Claude's here. Claude, how does the form composable works on I think in Kobweb dash compose HTML. Please, you can search. How to say this? Search. Jesus Christ, how does he search? How to? I don't know how to write search. Search, yes, like this. You can search on the web for updated documentation. This is a new way to search for things. I still try to use the most common way, but I think nowadays the best way to search for things is using AI, as we saw that I didn't find any documentation on HTML compose HTML, or either Kobweb. So let the AI search for documentation, more up-to-date documentation and whatnot. That will gonna help me a lot to understand how does this composable works. Because I know that I have a label here. Should we gap? I don't know, alignment. Do we have align items? Align items. Align content. Let me see. Align content. Centralize horizontally. Center vertically. Yeah. That's what I want. But yeah, as you can see, I cannot use this. Why? My content. Nope. Align items. Let's see. Align items. Center. Okay, if this is gonna work. Sometimes it's try and error. Nope. Not at all. The thing is, why this content is right and my content is wrong. So I have a contact form. Assign a column. Let me see again. Modifier. That's it. That's the container. Maybe something that I removed from here. Form control, class names. Nope. Okay. Yes, man. Yes, go ahead. Don't ask me again. Do your job, man. Look, it's searching in the JPEG Compose, Playground, Web, Overview, a lot of stuff. It's doing all the searching for me. and then it would give me the best information, more up-to-date information. It's pretty good. I could watch the course and understand why my thing's not working correctly, but I believe this course is outdated. So maybe it's because he's using this thing. Look, download Bootstrap. Maybe it's this Bootstrap stuff. Maybe it's this thing missing. Maybe that's what makes the form. Look, maybe it's this. But I don't like the idea of depending on. I don't like the idea of depending on external URLs or external CSS files configuration just to lay out the inputs inside a form. That's kind of stupid. So I don't want to believe that I need download external bootstrap to get the compile the CSS and JavaScript. I don't want to use Bootstrap just to display in a web form. You know what I mean? Let's go. Let's see what we have here. Current implementation. You're already using it correctly. Event-driven approach. So why also? Okay. Source I'm using correctly. So now this Cloud agent has not called agent, right? The session has a context, I guess, of Kobweb. A thing that I wanted to understand about, just a side note or tangent. Like I'm just let me use. This is a good session of English, man. Let me. I'm getting off topic. Just getting a little off topic here. The thing that I want to learn is how to set up Claude agents that have a skill, a context. So I don't need to keep asking over and over again to update the knowledge of this agent regarding documentation of specific technology. So yeah, I want to have a specific agent to help me out with Compose, HTML Compose, and Kobweb. So an expert in this technology. But yeah, how can I? Okay. The implementation is correct for a traditional form subsession start. Now, another thing that I want to learn is how can I make AI have access to my camera or my monitor so I can point things instead of take pictures to show. So okay. So why? No. Oh my God. What I did. So why? Let me see. That's my form. That's my form. Oh. My question is why my form is being displayed like this. And then I have to take a picture, give a name to the screenshot. That's the bad part about it is I just want to show this and get this over with, but I have to take screenshots. Oh, let me think. Give you the name for the screenshot. So form. Just give form. PNG. So my question is why my form is being displayed display. Let's see this. It's being shown. Display it. Oh, display it this way. Why is right? Why is my form? Why is my form being displayed this way? Image. And then I have to pass the path because for some reason my cloud I cannot copy paste things to my terminal anymore. For some reason, I know that is a Control V. Let me see. Yeah, I think I cannot do it. I have a bunch of problems with this already, so I have to always say that the images on desktop form .png. Let me okay. It's being displayed. I can see the issue of form fields or layout horizontally in a single row instead of vertically stacked. The dev tool shows the form as flex item, and the blue background covers the entire form area. The problem is that form element is a direct HTML form tag, and its childs are being laid out horizontally, likely due to the higher inherited flex property or the full HTML flow. You need to add vertical layout structure. Let me explore your code base to understand how this form is being used and create a plan to fix it. Nice. That's the good way. Oh, this is because of the form tag. Form tag has no property whatsoever. But I put this in a column. Yeah, I put everything in a column, but Didn't work. So let's see what. Perfect. Now, oh my god. What are you doing? What? Let me see. Now fix it horizontal vertically. Yes. Ready to code. Excellent. I have identified and issue and create a detailed plan. This is the problem is that your form element is a raw HTML form tag that doesn't automatically stack children vertically. You need to wrap the form content in a column. They already did this, but let's see how you do that. Oh, the content. Okay, the content. Move all existing text area buttons to a column. Gap. Okay, that's good. Simple. So we move the content column. The problem with let Claude do this stuff is that look, this is good. Okay. Do you know any comment to make the selection like, you know what I mean? Select all of this really fast. Let's put it over here and move to inside the column, and now you're good. Inside the column. I will learn how to select things. No. You know what I mean? How to select block of code like this. 1, 2, 3, you know what I mean? It'd be really nice. I was able to do this. So let's see the configuration. Claude is saying the setup. The Claude is getting me a modifier, fill maximum width, gap. Yeah, I don't want to fill maximum width. I can use gap, horizontal start. Oh, he's already working. Okay, good. So what I want is to horizontal alignment is not a start. I need the horizontal alignment to be in the center. Or center horizontally. No modifier requires. Okay, that's my camera now. This camera doesn't help me in any way. Look, still a fat fuck. Let me open my screen. Open my window. Open my window. Open my window to see the world outside. See the world. The world is a vampire. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. Now we are talking. Should go to the horizontal and oh, yeah, not good. I don't like it. Let me see. This way is better. Let me think. How? like this content. Okay, you don't. Yeah, you just you don't need to put anything here. Okay, you can keep your stuff here, but look, why this is black? Name. Yeah, can you make this a little bit bigger, I guess. Input style. Boom, 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 boom. I think this is a good one. Why, man? Why are you doing this with us, huh? Yeah, okay, I got it. Input. Input style, my version. Input style. Input style, my version. Yeah. Not that good. I want this. I like this. I like this. It's good. Text area, it's working. Submit button. It's a good button. Why my butt? 1 hour already. Nice. Why my button's not as big? Okay, contact me. How can you see it that this is all wrong? Oh, that's good. I want to put it in the middle, a little bit down. So what's going on here is the problem is that contacts just have this form, but that's good. I think this is, yeah, fill maximum width. This should be fill maximum size. This is good. Maybe this dude over here needs a fill maximum size as well. Let me see. No, but this is a modifier, right? Should be here. Can I do this? Fill maximum size. No. Let me see. This entire stuff will be the form. That's not good. Got it. Still not good. Is my buttons outside? No, my button's inside the form. Yeah, not good. Okay, let me. So here we have a column. Maybe we'll put this in the box. Content alignment. Alignment center. You put a modifier as well. Fill maximum size. This guy should be here. And then let's see. Now it should be in the middle. Down in the middle. God, nice. Good. Now it's time to give a layout to this stuff. Look, this looks so much better. Let me see. Put you have a nice style. The margin, 10 pixels of margin. I need the padding actually. Oh, the 10. Does gap working? Let me see. Why? Yeah, 10 pixel padding. Maybe the 10 pixels is this margin. Bottom. Yeah, 10 pixels bottom width. What we have here is width, the border. We just changing borders here. We don't care about anything else, so doesn't matter. Margin of width 500, 1500 of width. Some shadow here, but now, okay. I think this is the part where the bootstrap started. Much better. That's why he's using bootstrap stuff. Let me check. But we cannot achieve this. Because borders are kind of round, a little more rounded. That's what the difference is, right? Let me do this by hand. Go to style, to border, width. Do I have a ratios? Ratio. Radios. Radio. It's radio ratios. Border. Radius. I guess radius. I think border radius here is. Let me check which border radius I have for experience. The buttons. It's gonna be good. Same ratios. Radius of 50 pixels. It's the same 50 pixels of border radius. I'm just wondering if I really need a freak. Yeah. It's looking high. Like 30. 30 of border radius. Let's see. Not too much. And I think they had the height. Those dude over here have those inputs over here have a height. So let me add a height. Margin. Input. Yeah, a little bit of height here. A margin. Height. Oh, maybe 20 pixels, 30 pixels, I guess, of height. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, look horrible, actually. No. 30 is good. My problem is with the ratio. ratios. How to say this?
Radius.
Radius. Radius. Yeah, I'm never gonna learn how to say this in my life. Radius. Is this 30? Border. Let me see. Oh, a little bit of border. 20, 10 pixels of border radius. Oh, it's better. It's better. And a height. Look, this dude has a height already. Margin. I think I have to divide this in two groups. This is going to be the style of the input, and this is going to be the this is going to be the style of the text area. I will separate those two things, but not right now. I'll ask Claude to do this. Polished. This is the unpolished part. Let me put this. What I want to do here is this label is good. So radius is good. The size is good as well. I don't know if the size should be like my height should be not in pixels, but rather in the text size stuff. So I don't know, 10 CSS RAM. How do you think? Because I know that this is related to the text size. Oh, this is gigantic. Oh, like 44. Two. Or a 1. I think a 1. 32, right? 1's 32. This is 2 RAM. So let's put a high of 2 RAM or both. In the border color, border width 1 is too much, man. I don't like 2 is too much. I'd rather stay with 1, and I like this color better. So let me check where. Yeah, another thing that I have to put is a constant for the colors. Please move the colors that repeats to a constant. Let me check if Claude can do this. Please, Claude. Claude, I need you to move the colors to a constant, to colors to constants, properties, and constants, and constants. Oh my God. Constants. You can add them in a sub object So in a internal object named theme. Yeah. No. You can add them in it. Declare a new object. Declare a new. Object named theme and add all the colors and add all the custom colors of project. Feel free to give the name that fits better. Feel free to name them as this. Feel free. It's not. Whatever. Let's see. This is just a refactor real quick before we keep going. I think all the colors are spread throughout the project. This is not a good thing. It's a boring stuff to do, and it's a good task for Claude. Let's see how much time I waste, or do I save using Claude? Let's see. And meanwhile, should I, what I want here is just emulate this color in the, I like this form. I like this. I want this into my page. And the hover is all messed up, but I know why. The text inside is also pretty messed up, but let's see. Yeah, I'm guessing he's using a lot of, look, he has also the about me, he has also the navigation at the back. Contact me. So many stuff. I like this. And maybe what I'm good for. My portfolio. It's not looking good. This is not looking good. My experience. Here's my photo. But I already have a photo here. So this is should I do something like this? You know? More. 2 more things instead of, and make this a little centralized, smaller. I think I like this one better. I'm good at it's good. Experience, yeah, because you already saw my image. This is my face. It's not a good image. The model is not helping. I'm not. I did not look good. Yes. Let me see your plan. Oh yeah. Run application accepted. If I want you to first show me first before you start it. Show me how we're gonna do it before you no test form submission still work correctly. No. Someone need to change. Just before you start, I want to see. I want to see the file. How the changes. You will perform before you start. I want to see the changes you perform. Task fix. What? Perfect. I don't want you to fix anything. Create team. I don't want you to fix it. Oh my god. This Claude is just a stupid motherfucker. I don't want you to fix anything. I just want you to 6 unique. I just work on the task 1. Hold on. Just work perfect. Colors. This is good. Good. Yeah. Yeah. Good. That looked good. That looked good. That looks good. That looks good. Just work on the task 1. Do not His back and forth with Claude is crazy. Yeah, let me see. Just put up. Yeah, don't run. Oh my God, what are you doing? No. Jesus Christ. No, Claude. Hold on. Claude, just I want you to work on the I want you to work only on the so stupid. Oh my god, so stupid. Great. This task 1 on the let me exit the plan, implement that, creating team of it. That's what I want. Yeah, I don't need to run the application. Navigate to content search, verify form filled or stacked. I don't want you to don't skip your verification. I don't need your verification steps. Skip. Yeah, my God. Skip the verification steps. I will conform. I will manually check colors. I don't want this colors. It's still making this optional. Adjust input width. Don't fucking change the input width. I don't know. Oh my god, I should start in a clean state. I should start in a fucking clean state. Let me do this. It's because I don't know how to use Claude. That's the reason why. It's so amazing, right? You just have to learn how to use that shit. Because, skill issues. I mean, I'm wasting more time explaining what I want instead of doing myself. That's the thing. Please work on this. Work on this. I'll have to help whoever needs. Okay, or if I'll help you create a team. Let me start exploring. Yeah, I think I press enter before send anything. It's gonna do everything over again. I'll help to create theme objects centralized coding on code base. Let me start by exploring the current color usage across your project. Yeah, you have to start from a clean state because Claude starts messing around with the tasks. Yeah, maybe it's because I'm using a Claude version that's better. It's not looking bad. It's looking good, I guess. I think this is 2 in the middle, to be quite honest. I want to put this a little bit in the top, right? Contact me. Yeah. Centralize center top. This one I'm gonna do. While Claude is doing his job, I would put this in the center top. Let me page contact. Center top. Center. This is the name. It's gonna go there, and then I will put some margin in my form, perhaps. Should I start another timer? I will start a little later. Let me go to the bathroom first. I have to go to the bathroom. Nice. And let me put some margin here of maximum size, man. What are you doing? Man? Margin to V8. I think V8 is the screen density. It's a viewport. That's gonna be 4 V8. I think this will be better. Yeah, no. Maybe I think 10. Let's try 10. 10 VH. The viewport. Yeah, it's good, but not that good because now it's not looking centralized with this text. You know what I mean? Feels wrong. I want this centralized with the text. Like this. I want this centralized. Should I put everybody in the same place? think about it. Let me think about this. I guess. Yeah. Nah, this is a box, right? Should I do that? Let me. Hold on. I'm gonna do this. I will do something different. For maximum size. So let me do this. Oh my god. Let me do this real quick. Maximum size, center. So we have this dude. Yeah, it's centralized in the column. But I think we have a gap now. First of all, I have the content. I put a content here. Real quick. Content is not content, it's alignment. Horizontal alignment. Yes, horizontal alignment in the column will be alignment center horizontally, and we have a gap of, I don't know, 4 CSS rim. No, we don't need to put this anymore there. It's gonna be fine. Now maybe they are in the same place, like centralized with each other. Oh, much better. Love it. I think the gap could be 10 now. Like, place this down to the bottom. Yeah, I like it. I like it. Simple. Yeah. Let me see Claude. What's Claude is doing? All 27 color reference theme objects 0. Yes, let me see. Primary text. Where is gonna be great, please? Okay. Special attention. You're gonna create a theme, style theme. I like it. I like this one better. That's a good plan. Create a centralized theme. 27 hardcore colors. 27 hard-coded colors values across 10 files in an hardcore profile code base. Unique colors found 6 RGB values, 3 Kobweb predefined colors, usage, multiple. Ternary. I like it. Button, semantic. Semantic group. Hero session. Yeah. That's beautiful. Yeah. Accept. And it's, you can start the changes. Took a little time. So while Claude's working, I'll go to the bathroom. Still working? Still working. Come on, Claude. I thought you would be faster doing this. Oh my god. What happened here? I grab a cup of coffee. Oh my god, this is so good. Now what I'm trying to do is just emulate this. I don't want this. Let me take a screenshot. I think I don't need a screenshot. Just put the background and the fills. Like this color. It's gonna be alright. I think we're good. 8 minutes. We already have the theme. You already created? Yeah, Claude, you already created. So many commentaries. Comments. It's not commentaries, right? It's comments button. I like this. I like this. Border primary. I like it. Form. Background. Secondary. Background. Focus. Border. Link. Decoration color. Ah, this is beautiful. Centralized theme for portfolio website. Provide semantic. That's good. Just change my page somehow. It's already changed the line here. But I think everything else is still fine. Yeah, it's going to about session. So light gray. Background. Text secondary. Estimates effort. What? 70 minutes? You're kidding, right? 70 minutes to do this? It's because you're kidding, right? Look, I can hear the fans of my MacBook. It's because I'm recording all this stuff, but nonetheless, AI is not free. People like to sell AI as a really cheap stuff, but isn't. In order to, and I'm running the $20 Claude version. This can be true. This 7 hours, 7 minutes to do this. Just a change of organizing colors in a project with 4 sessions with a single page. You're crazy. You're crazy. But so far, it's doing a pretty good job. 35 tokens. Autocomplete fail. Try Claude Doctor. Yeah, something is wrong with my Claude installation. I'm not gonna bother with this right now. Migrating project session. Projects. So we are in the projects now. Supervising. That's what we do. All files have been migrated. I knew it. What are you gonna do? Build the project verify? No, no, I will do myself. Nope. Everything's good, man. I believe in you. Oh, project is not running anymore. So let's see. I believe in you, Claude. Let me just delete this thing over here once again. Stop this. Little coffee, but I have to go back to my water. Let's see if my camera, my better camera is working now. So I have two cameras, right? Just, just to try to look better. Not that it will help anything, but we're not gonna do any harm. Can you see me? I think that's better. A little better. Kobweb run. So let's start this timer again. We still have a lot of work to cover today. Because I do believe I wanted to tackle this another session here, this session here. Let's see what we got. Yeah. Claude put a background. Nothing, not bad, not bad. I think still, it's good, I like it. Theme, styles, theme. I don't know if I liked theme here, but doesn't matter. Look, a bunch of changes, a lot of files get changed. This is good. Close all tabs. Because I want to make this bigger. Form. Yeah. Width. Background. Two and a half. How about 2.5? I'm trying 3 here, but let's see. 2.5. What do you think? 2.5 is good. 3 is good. So I need to change text. Yeah, this is getting out of hand. Let me. God. Shadow. I have to create another style here. Input. Let's do this. Yeah. Let's create this. Border, same shit. Border solid. It's gonna be the base. And I still want this to be border focus. What is border focus? It's a black color, interactive, hover, primary. I like it. Oh, I love this way. Organized stuff. I love it. This is the input. But now I want to create a specific thing for this. It's not gonna be input, it's gonna be similar. It's not gonna be input. Well, what is text area style? Text area style. CSS style. It's gonna be this pretty much the same, but no sizing. remove the sizing, the background, all this stuff. I think we don't need this. That's good. And the thinking so low. And that's good. Now text input has this bunch of stuff. We don't need none of this. Input has this bunch of stuff. Boom, 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 boom. Now it's good. Now we can work only here, and the thing should affect. I still don't like too much. Let me see. Full text, text size input, right? Label. Text size, let me see. Full text, let me text size. I guess we can change text size here. First of all, let me check the inspection here. What happened in this thing over here? Input. Do we have text size there? Shadow, margin. Yeah, font size. Yeah, font weight. Line, color. I have everything there. So font size, font weight. Font weight is font weight. Normal. I don't need font weight. It's like font size. Height, I'm gonna put 1 CSS RAM, 2 CSS RAM as a font size. Let me see. Oh, this is horrible. Oh my god, 32 pixels. Let's see. A little better, a little better. Yeah, that's good. I guess I would say. You have a space here. Look, line height, padding. Put a padding there. No, 2 pixels of padding. But not left. Put more. I don't know. 4 pixels. Style base. Just move. Nope. It's not this. What I want is. I want margin. Line height. Border. silk. Margin, background, box shadow, font, 1 RM. Name, apply system wide font, normal. Yeah, I want to know the padding, right? I think this is the yeah. Look, it has a padding there. But my padding is not working. Why? Column. Modifier. Modifier gap 1. .5 gap. I want to know this. Okay. To modifier, to attributes. How to add pattern to the margin. Width. Yeah, what's padding? That's crazy. Boo, boo, Huh? What do you think? What do you think? Not bad, right? Not bad. I like it. Email. Okay. Whoa. Yeah, we need the padding in the top left. At least a fifth pixel, 5 pixels in the top. It's possible. I think we don't need in the, yeah, this guy we need it. Not in the inputs, but only in the text area. Yeah, but the top is not working. Top is working. It is. I think it is. I think this is text area, top, bottom. We have this. Yeah, we do have. Oh, we have a hover here. Yeah, that's working. That's good. That's good. 10 pixels. Maybe 5 pixels, right? I'm doing this 5 pixels. I think 10 pixels or so should be the case. 10 pixels. Is my project running? Not anymore. That's stupid, man. That's really, really stupid. Every time this is happening right now. Alright. Maybe I have to update my coin version. Kobweb. Let me start a new thing over here. Yes. Let's go. Kobweb version. Okay, this is my version. Let me search for Kobweb. GitHub 023 release. No, but I'm saying that's the Kobweb CLI version. The CLI is 921. Yeah, I'm in the last version. In the last version of CLI. How to upgrade CLI? I'm a little tired right now. Not gonna update CLI. Whatever. That's good. That's good. I think my form is all right. What do you think? Should I change the label? Contact. Submit. Okay. Submit. Fill out this email fake. Message. Gmail.com. Thanks. You'll submit formally. What? Seriously. I just need that thing. Let me see. I'm sending that mail for myself. Hello, hello, hello from the other side. That's good. Hello from the others. Hello from the other side. Let's see. Gmail. I don't think this is sending me email. Any email. Nah. Oh, I think I'm using his. Oh my god. Maybe I'm using his API key. Maybe. Then that's not working anymore. I will take a look in the course, because I think this is the part where he explained how to send stuff. Let's see. Associate the label, the control. He would explain this, I guess. Form. Maybe he will. Look. Form. Yeah, I didn't receive anything. But could be because I'm missing something. Some authentication or things. The form was submitted successfully. Come back. Oh, yeah. Clean up. Should be like remove this, right? It should clean up when I press submit. Action. Do you have some callback? Action. That's pretty crazy because this is a button with, let me see. It's a button tag with a click and a callback after the click. So, oh yeah, my button has a callback. So let me use it. Click. I don't know. I need the state in order to. I'm not sure how input works here. Look, input. Response file, placeholder, name, required true. And you have another attribute modifier. But where is the input type? This is required. Everything is required. Label. Input type email. Input type text. And there's attributes. I have a course that explains how my learnings on basic CSS. Let me see. Already, it just skipped, but inputs, forms. What to expect? Forms, I have this. So this is forms. Input types, develop how to inspect website in the browser, how to create tables, a simple layout table, videos, embed, a bunch of stuff. I have to understand better how does forms work. But I think we are good here. Contact me. Nothing bad, actually. Message. Yeah, I like my one better. Now it's time to put the navigation and stuff, right? The copyright and the same navigation that we have here. Let me check if this is a component. It is. Top navbar is a component. Then we can display in different ways. So it's the same size. It's pretty sure it's the same size. So let me do this. It's gonna be easy. Top navbar is over here. So top navbar. No. Cannot use this. You know why? Because if I resize this, look how my top navbar looks like. This. And I don't want this there. I want something like this. I want something like this. I think this version's better. Not really friendly, right? Responsiveness. Let me see how does his version random resizing. Still really good. Yeah, still really good. Oh, yeah, it's another component. It's another component. The bottom of the bar. Another bar will change the sizes. Yes, I'm still in conflict with this part over here. I think I should remove this face down here and let only this be the about. Put some text here. Maybe. Make this image a little smaller, I guess. I don't know. I don't like this image, man. I'm too ugly. Yeah, I don't know. I'm better in this image than I'm right now. That's the face. That's my current state. Jesus. So let me create a navbar similar to this one. Place it down here, and the responsiveness will be displayed as a column instead of a row. Okay, you have to create another one. But I like this. I really do. I think I have to just contact session a little 8. Let's put 8 of margin space between those two elements, like 8 of gap. Oh man, I don't believe this. I do not believe this. Are we stuck again? Nope. Nope. Not anymore. What did I do? I did something wrong here. So, already changed and I didn't even notice. Let me change this again. Let me change. Put this thing over here and I will change fast. Okay. Yeah, I'm seeing now. Yeah, I'm seeing now. Just a little bit. And now we have this blank screen. Oh, what do you think? I like it. Web form. Working fine, I guess. Let me see. Let me check this. If this is a couple of this and oh my god, a couple of this. Cop. Yeah, look. Gigantic. Can you send this? Maybe not. Oh, I just noticed. Size issue. We have size issue here. Let me check. They should be the same size, right? Yeah, this is the same width. Let me check what's going on. Form. Do we have width here? Let me see. So we have width. Nice width here. Did I remove the width from my friends? Base has width. Same width. Why? Oh. How to prevent, okay. How to prevent the horizontal resizing of a text area. Text area. Element. I think it's an element. How to prevent. It's a good question, right? Sizing, vertical. I have a resizing stuff. That's good. Let me try this. Resizing, resize, vertical. Let's see if this is gonna work. Building. Yes, only, yes, love it, thank you. This will prevent horizontal resizing, will allow me, nice, exactly. Is this the sizing vertically? Yeah, this is already have this. Look, his version, I think his version is better, actually. I like his version better. Just navigation. I'm so bored. Should I? So we have top navigation. Top navigation. I will call this navigation actually, component navigation. Because I will create the bottom navigation right here. It will be so easier to do it. Let me see. because text has their own styles. I need text to be precise actually. Let me see. Yeah, they all have the same style, which is the side over here over. Not sure. I have to duplicate a bunch of stuff. Oh, bottom, nav, bar. Couple of them. I just need this thing. It's private. Still gonna be private anyway. Yeah, about that, right? Yeah, this is a huge problem, but let's do this. Look. Style. I'm gonna pass this as a no. Modifier, okay? Gotta be like this. Links modifier. What do I call this? Links modifier. And they have the full value, okay? And now you can call this. Okay, bottom nav. I wonder love, 32 pixels. Oh, 16 pixels, so okay. 32, 16, right? Yeah. How am I gonna position this in the bottom? That's a good question. I know that CSS has a kind of grid to do this, but I don't know how to achieve the same result using this is, oh my god, what is that? Oh god. Let's see how he does this in the source code. Contact session. Oh, this is the styles. Column. Yeah, not really. But it has this thing over here on, let's see, content, a scope from top, stands from top. Overview, observe viewport entered. Okay. That thing. Report, animation. I don't know what it is. I have no idea. Animated. Oh, the title is doing something. Yeah. I think title does animation. Hip customers. Inspect. This is a footer. The navbar. This is a footer. Yeah. Oh, it has contacts and the footer down below here. Okay. I know what I could do. I could have a size. So instead of field maximum size, let me see. This is field maximum size. Totally field maximum size, right? Field maximum size. And the session header, contact form. Hold on. You know what I could do? Create a box here. Could I? Or anything actually. Not only a box, but place this in a column or a box and put everything to down. Look, into like this box. Content alignment, box modifier, field maximum size, all the available space, right? And I'm using my compose knowledge, not my CSS knowledge, but I know that CSS accomplished this in a different way. Let me see. Content alignment, bottom, and it'll be bottom center. It's gonna be. So everything I put here will gonna be in the center. So let's put the bottom of bar here and see how it will work. Should appear down here because we're at a don't have a lot of space, right? Look, right in the bottom. And if we move things around here, yeah, it should remain in the bottom. Okay, that's working fine. Another thing we need to do is put this thing over here. I have this copyright reserved. So what is this? Is it label? What is this? It's a paragraph. I'm gonna put a paragraph down here. But now, instead of, we're gonna wrap this in a column. I don't like too much this approach. like wrapping elements, nested elements. That's fine. So paragraph, when I use a paragraph, I think we have to use a div for this. I'm not sure. And we're gonna put text here. Text is this thing, copyright 2026. No art, no art code. TDA, LTDA. All right, reserved, motherfuckers. Oh my god, just place the text. Yes, that's good. I guess text, attributes, modifier, text color. Which text I want to copy the color? I think like this color over here. This one. So experience. This one over here. Text secondary, I think. Same bold. So text secondary is the theme I want to use. Two attributes. Yeah. I'm gonna put this in the middle. Fill maximum modifier. Gonna do modifier fill maximum width. And let me do the horizontal alignment. Alignment center horizontally. It's gonna be here. Should be here. Nice. Let's see the size of this text. Good job. Style normal. It's good. Yeah. I have to make this. Now I have to change the style. Navigation style. I want to change this name to navigation style. Rename this. Navigation style. Navigation styles. Okay. Font size. I want to change font size a little bit. Top level bar. Top level links. Is bottom nav links. It's gonna be the name. Bottom nav link style. Color hover. I don't think I like the hover text underline. None. I don't like it. I don't know if I like it. Cheers. I'd rather keep with none. Text line. Offset. Yeah, doesn't matter. Decoration, underline, property. Text decoration, color. Hover. Link. to string. Let me see. Oh yeah. Bottom of it. Who's using this? Links modifier to a modifier. Let me see. And put some space around them. Size, man. That's crazy, man. That's crazy. 1.5. They need a little bit more space around them. No, this is a gap in the navigation. Okay, let me. Oh, we don't have camera anymore. Doesn't matter. Let me see. Contact session. And we can put a gap here. Look, just a little bit of gap. Like 2 CSS of gap between the bottom and this nice paragraph. I think, yeah, I'm not gonna work on the. Yeah, it's better, man. Look, guys. It works. It's the way it's supposed to work. Look, contact right here, projects, experiences. We can navigate down. Still working, great. Copyright reserved. Let me see. It has a margin. Let me add a margin here. Margin. I don't know, 1. CSS rem of margin. How about that? I think it's all fine. They have too much space around between them, I guess. If you like. Yeah, not bad. Let's go. Oh, this march is not working? Not all. Bottom. Let's see. Let me make sure. This is a column. Should be a margin here. Two. How about this, huh? Everything to. This used to work fine, but now it's. What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? Think that's good? That's amazing. Do we need any? We don't need. Look. We don't need anything there. That's good, man. Still navigating. Oh, this is horrible. I will get this fixed. I love it. I love the farm. I love it. About, and we have this all North Ltd. What do you think? looking good. It's looking good. Looking good. I love it. It's perfect. Just perfect. Now the next step will be removing this. Just clean up this. Maybe remove this image, adding my more two cards here, or just keep this too. I don't think I have more knowledge like Android and iOS, Kotlin, which platform, backend development. I could lie that I know a little bit about React. It's always good saying that you know React, but I hate React. So Flutter could be a nice thing to pretend that I know and just start learning Flutter, but I don't want to. I don't want to. I think those Kotlin multi-platform is the only thing. And iOS and backend development. This is my interesting. This is what I'm interested in. Yeah, regarding technologies, this is fine. Oh, I'm not gonna. Should I add anything else here? Because what I'm trying to base my layout on is in this. This is better. So I could have four of those, but displayed a little bit better than this. That could work. I don't need to put my image here, because I already have an image here. I think this image is still healed, and I don't know if I want to keep. Look. This could be like this, and just a description as well, instead of like this. I could put a description about me, like here, right? Instead of having this two stuff. About me should be, and there's area over here. Yeah, about me. Experience. Not sure. Still not sure how I'm going to make this better. Because this guy has a home. Yeah, about me. About me. Look. Contact me. And here we have the entire stuff. His page is much better because, has two different images, and the model is much pretty than me, than I, or than me. I think than me. It's prettier than me, way prettier. And he has another image just looking sides, look at side. I don't know how to say this. Profile image. Much better. My version is crap. Yeah, I'm definitely not gonna use this. I think this is good. Not sure. I'm really not sure. So I put my image here, and my skills down here, maybe. Let's see. I will see. But this session is beautiful. I thought this was gonna be the uglier session, but this was pretty good. I love it. I loved it. That's it. That's it for today. We got a lot of things working. Good progress. Good progress. The project's looking good. It's looking pretty good. I'm proud of myself. I'm proud of myself to accomplish this. With no previous knowledge whatsoever of web development, we did it. It's a page all functional. Of course, I have to make some adjustments, some polishing, but this is gonna be way easier. I have to change the, the logos here. Maybe keep up one image only. Yeah, maybe make the session 4. I could add also some, instead of my technology knowledge, I could add my professional experience as well in this entire session. Like this will give me 4 things, like 6 cards, just like this, and I can keep up a single image here, this image, but instead of displaying like this so huge, I can do something like this, like, and a brief description of myself, just like this. I like this little, who I am, just like this, smaller, not too huge, not too big, too large, or because I don't want to look my face at details like my ugliness. So it's good. And yeah, it could be like this. I like this one much better. Yeah, that's good. That's good. I can change this later, maybe in the next session. And my goal is to deploy this into a public host name. Host name? What is this host name? And the public URL, or that's good. That's good. Oh yeah, and I also have to find a way to create those banners for my applications, for whatever apps that I have. I have 2 apps, but I also can showcase some repositories that I have there. Man, why not? It's gonna be nice. Yeah, it's not working. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Finished. Session finished. Let me just commit my changes. Let me clean. Yeah, you did great. Thank you. Clear state, please. Thank you. Thank you for your service. In git add commit minimal no fit. This is a feature. Implement contact section push. Done. That's it. Bye. See you in the next session.